So these are Kentish flowers, Birocelli deževnik, seeking for food. You see they are disturbing the worms sitting in the mud. So te ptice tolčejo z nogicami po tleh, da črvi. This is the most typical bird of the salina. It's polojnik, or the black-winged stilt, or one of the most endangered species like the little tern or mala chigra. And by looking at these photos, I'd like also to draw your attention that we are now just opening an outdoor spa activities, a center without hotels, without concrete buildings, without motorized access, where people will be able to enjoy nature and the therapeutic benefits of the old traditional salt works in the Trieste Bay in Slovenia. We call this, we believe that this trailer will be called Sečovlje Salina High Life, or in Slovenian language, življenje na visoki nogi. This means that we believe that we are offering very high environmental standards here. We are offering high quality salt, and all this within the Natura 2000 area. So we would like to demonstrate that this kind of living together is actually possible in our areas. So let me conclude. What is then considered? What is